When our results came in, our provincial results for math, there were a lot of gaps. We had students that required a lot of support. They did not meet expectations in the assessment.
So we were in an SSP meeting one day and we said, wouldn't it be so nice to put these two classes together and really meet the kids where they are? And Lynn said, why not?
We combined the two French immersion classes together of 3 grades, and we really wanted to meet our students where they were and to expand on their knowledge.
As a team, we decided that we would try these flexible groupings, these multi-age groupings, and target instruction.
We didn't want to do it in one classroom or another because we didn't want the grade 4 students to think, oh, I'm going down to the grade 2 classroom, I'm going down to the grade 3 classroom. We really wanted to make it a common area for everyone where we all meet together. It's not this group is better than this group or these students are stronger than these students. We just have separated them to groups to practice different strategies.
We started talking about it before Christmas, assessed everyone in January, and then by mid-January probably, I guess, we had started our groups.
We decided to model the support of the math support teachers, and we decided to target basic facts for addition and subtraction and representing and partitioning number.
So we grouped kids by what strategies they had under control, which ones they needed to work on, and then from week to week we would meet and move kids accordingly.
We are constantly assessing, and as they mastered these strategies, we moved them. Okay, they moved in their groups. Then we got to the point where they had all mastered their doubles, so then we need to change up the strategies.
Well, this week we started working with the kids on representing and partitioning numbers.
We had one group doing 2-digit numbers, we had another group doing 3-digit numbers, and another group doing 4-digit numbers. And we had done a previous assessment on the students to see where they were with representing numbers, and that's how we split them up into their 3 groups.
So having our 3 grade levels together, we can sort of pull kids back to where they need to be, build that support, and get them ready to work at their grade level.
We want them to be engaged, we want them to love learning about math, and as you can see in the gym, that's exactly what they did. And even though they were representing different numbers with different place values, they were still using the same strategies to represent numbers.
So we're seeing definite gains in our students with this programming, so we're hoping that this will transfer to their next assessments, but we are seeing also just in their classroom learning that it's transferring.
I really love math.
Why?
Because it's fun.
It's fun to like work in groups and get to share ideas.
I like doing it with big numbers, and in grade 4 you really like doing it with big numbers.
No, but the students come in and they know that on Tuesdays and Thursdays we do it, and if it's not in the schedule, they're like, well, why are we not doing math? Is it not happening today? Is there something going on in the gym?
They love it. They do. My class especially, and we'll come to school and say, are we doing math with grade 4s today? What time are we doing that? Is it math time yet? I mean, you could see the level of engagement in there. The bell rang. Did anyone move? No.
It's hands-on, they're engaged, and they love it. They're not sitting down doing at their desk paper pen work. They're in a new environment. It's a different setting. It's outside of the classroom, so they think of it as different than learning in the classroom.
It certainly has exceeded my expectations.
I think it's absolutely amazing to see them working together in groups, to see them working together with different age groups, to see them asking each other questions, helping each other out. To see their learning, and they're taking ownership of their learning, and it's unbelievable. Like I'm in awe every single time that we meet, at even the comments that the students make, the questions that they ask. And when I'm ready to answer the questions, someone else comes in and is like, well, this is why we're doing it, or have you thought about thinking about this or that? And so it's like I'm there, but they're answering each other's questions. They're really doing it on their own.
Math is pretty important in life, so I would have to like it.
Later on in your life, if you ever need something to go to the store or something, you might need it to like count your money and give the right amount of money.
It's fun to add numbers in your head.
Never once have I ever seen something so innovative in a school. It's always something that I somewhat envisioned as sort of my utopia for math instruction, and it's been more than successful.